the electroplating industry in India produces substantial wastewater with heavy metals and toxic chemicals. The growing demand for electroplated products underscores the urgent need for sustainable water treatment to mitigate environmental and health risks.
Water is the basic raw material in any of the electrochemical process. In this process, whether it is electroplating, this water is highly corrosive in nature, which is highly acidic or highly alkaline, needs to be discharged or being recycled back in the process.
Hero Cycles, a leading global bicycle manufacturer, generates substantial wastewater from its manufacturing operations, particularly due to electroplating processes. To address this challenge, Hero Cycles has upgraded its wastewater treatment by replacing the conventional multi-effect evaporator with SED's advanced MVR-LTE, mechanical vapor recompressor, low-temperature evaporation system.
Spray Engineering Devices Limited has a technology of low-temperature evaporation. Corrosive water pass through the low-temperature evaporator, wherein we get the good water of TDS less than 250 ppm, and by virtue of this we can reduce the consumption of the water to a larger extent.
This technology significantly reduces steam consumption through heat recycling, eliminating the need for boilers and lowering environmental impact. The system requires less space, recovers over 90% of water for reuse in production, and reduces operational costs.
देखिए ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट जो एमई की होती है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा आती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू MVR। अगर हम इसको क्वांटिफाई करने की कोशिश करें तो 25 से 30% में ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट में इसमें डिफरेंस आता है जो कि MVR में लोअर साइड होती है।
For Hero Cycles, this means efficient water reclamation and substantial cost savings.
जब हीट की जो रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत कम रहती है तो इसलिए ये बहुत इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली भी हैं, कार्बन फुटप्रिंट भी कम होते हैं कंपैरेटिवली, तो इसकी जो ट्रीटमेंट कॉस्ट है वो भी कंपैरेटिवली काफ़ी कम होती है।
The water is being completely recycled back into the process without creating a lot of sludge, which is being generally created in the effluent treatment plant. Water is one of the key area on which Spray Engineering Devices Limited focus very deeply and ensure that we recover all the bad water which is created by the processes or by the municipal or any of the possibilities.
SED's MVR-LTE technology represents a paradigm shift in industrial wastewater treatment, enabling Hero Cycles to lead in sustainable manufacturing and set new standards for water conservation and environmental responsibility.